Replacing the clutch slave cylinder on a 2012 Audi S5. What I like to do is just remove that one triple square bolt, pull it off, and kind of swing it out of the way, and then install the new one without the line attached. It's much easier because you have to depress the piston, and then just swap the line over back onto it. So start by removing that bolt. Alright, once the bolt is off, you can just grab the whole thing, pull it away, and then pull it back. And kind of just move it out of the way, just so you can install the new one, and just swap the line over so you lose a little bit less fluid. And it'll wherever it'll stay. You take the new slave and you just push that into place. Make sure you're depressing the make sure you can feel the piston going, and you can actually have it where it doesn't go into its little home. It'll go in a lot easier if it's crooked, and it'll miss the whole release fork, and you'll think you're in, but you won't be. And when you go to push the pedal, it'll destroy the slave cylinder. So you have to make sure that it's pushing in the piston while you're installing it. Once the new one is bolted into place, all you have to do is just get a little pick tool and release that wire clip on the old slave, and just push it onto the new one and bleed the system, and that's it. Pretty simple job.